Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's home and safe. And we got another interesting product here to show you guys. So definitely check them out. Click the link, add it to your cart, and check out fast so they can ship this to you fast. See what's inside. It's a new month now. Things are getting back. Alright, we got two things here to show you guys. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that now. So we got two things separate. And we go put Amazon over here. And we got here some magical stuff. This is coming from my good friends over at Brite. So definitely check these guys out. And now since we are home more, using our computer monitors, screens, TVs, we want to keep that clean and not sure what product to get. This is going to be the best one to get right now on the market. I'll show you how to work it. Brite screen. I got so many screens now for LCD, LED, HD TVs, phones, laptops, computers, and glasses. So get a little bonus. Non-toxic streak. No harsh chemicals, so that's good. Do not drink this. That'll be a bad thing for you to do. But definitely, if your parent, make sure your children doesn't grab it, drink it. And tells you what it is in the back. Instructions. Do not spray directly onto the electronics unless that surface is water safe. So you just spray the cloth instead. Okay, makes sense. Screen cleaner. So I'm definitely excited to show you guys this. And we're going to do a little test run. I got two monitors that need to be cleaned here. So, alright, here we go. Got the nice cloth. Pretty big size. Enough to clean. I usually put it like this, clean, wipe it down. And then they show you their other products. So check them out. Click the link. Browse around. And like I said, this is a Brite screen cleaner for LCD, LED. Yeah, it's safe to use. There we go. Pop the little sucker out. Pop this in. I want to smell it just in case. See what it smells like first. No smell. Got it right on my nose. Oh man. Yeah, no smell. So that's a good thing. I would shake it just in case. And take this. Get the misty. Get it a good soak. Especially first time use. Get the roughness out. Rough Riders. Now we'll hop over here. I don't know if you guys can see. A little dusty. I try to keep it clean though, as much as I can. It's summertime and everything else, so we're home more often. Stuff like this will definitely get dusty, so this will help it. You know, gently clean it. Oh, look at the shine. It's shiny. And now we'll hop over to the monitor over here. It's always good to have this clean though. See? And these little guys, I could keep my security cameras. There we go. Just wipe it down a little bit. It's weird I don't even have a laptop. I need to get a laptop soon, but that'll be a day, one day. No rush right now. There we go. Clean, clean. Brand new. Brand new. TVs. This is like LCD. Small one. 30-inch or so. Look at that. Give it a good wipe. There we go. That brand new. Alright, YouTubers. So, definitely check them out. We got the screen cleaner right there. And just add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Be safe. Have a good night.